Hey, what's up? It's your girl Deja, aka Deja Vu, and I'm back again with another super dope, amazing video. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a simple, cute fall look. This is good for beginners, good for people that are just now starting out in makeup and want to do something cute and something that'll pop for the fall. So if you guys want to see this look, keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every single time I post another amazing video. Don't forget to watch and share my previous videos with your friends, your family, and catch your dog. Y'all know the drill. Share those videos with everybody you love so your girl Deja Vu can be popping. I love y'all so much, and let's get right into it. So I already moisturized my face with some Nivea cream. So we're gonna get right into the brows. Really, a primer is just for moisture of the face to help the makeup go on smoothly. So like, you really don't need a primer per se. You can just use like your favorite facial cream or moisturizer or something of that sort. To do my eyebrows today, I'm going to be using the I Envy by Kiss dip brow thingy. And it looks like this is in the color of dark brown. So the first thing you want to do is take a spoolie and brush up your eyebrows to make sure that they are, you know, neat, and so that when you go to fill them in, it will look neat. So I'm just gonna take a regular flat, I was gonna say flat too, a regular flat brush, and then I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. Now that my brows are filled in, I'm going to take some LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade of Fawn, and I'm going to simply outline my eyebrows so that it can be more defined and more crisp.